Hey there, welcome back to MoneyPath Mastery. Today, we're diving into a topic that's always in demand, making some extra cash. Whether you're saving up for a special purchase or just looking to boost your income, I've got you covered with 15 quick ideas to make $10 in a day. Stick around till the end because you won't want to miss any of these money-making opportunities. Idea 1. Online surveys. First up, let's talk about online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay you to share your opinions on various topics. It's simple, it's easy, and it's a great way to earn some extra cash during your free time. Just make sure to sign up with reputable survey sites to ensure you're getting paid for your time. Idea 2. Freelance gigs. Next on our list are freelance gigs. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to offer your skills for small tasks or projects. Whether you're good at graphic design, writing, or programming, there's a gig out there for you. Plus, freelancing offers flexibility and the potential to earn more than just $10 a day if you put in the effort. Idea 3. Gig economy apps. Now, let's talk about gig economy apps. Apps like TaskRabbit and Gigwalk connect you with quick gigs in your local area. From running errands to assembling furniture, there's no shortage of tasks available. Just download the app, find a gig that fits your skills, and start earning money on your own schedule. Idea 4. Sell unused items. Have some stuff lying around that you no longer use? Why not turn that clutter into cash by selling it online? Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist make it easy to reach potential buyers. Just snap some photos, write a catchy description, and watch as your unwanted items turn into cold, hard cash. Idea 5. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you're an animal lover, why not put that passion to work by pet sitting or dog walking? Many pet owners need someone to look after their furry friends while they're away, and they're willing to pay for it. Whether it's a quick walk around the block or overnight pet sitting, you can earn money while spending time with adorable animals. Idea 6. Participate in market research. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. By signing up for market research panels, you can earn money by sharing your opinions on products and services. It's a win-win, you get paid for your time, and companies get valuable insights to improve their offerings. Idea 7. Deliver food or groceries. With the rise of food delivery apps like Uber Eats and DoorDash, delivering food or groceries has never been easier. Whether you have a car, bike, or scooter, you can earn money by delivering orders to hungry customers. Plus, you get to set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. Idea 8. Offer tutoring or lessons. If you excel in a particular subject or skill, why not share your knowledge by offering tutoring or lessons? Whether it's academic tutoring, music lessons, or language classes, there's always a demand for knowledgeable instructors. You can either offer your services in person or online, making it a flexible way to earn money. Idea 9. Complete microtasks. Microtasking platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk and Clickworker offer small tasks that you can complete for pay. From data entry to transcribing audio clips, there's a wide variety of tasks available to suit your skills and interests. It's a simple way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Idea 10. Rent out your stuff. Did you know that you can make money by renting out your belongings? Whether it's a camera, tools, or outdoor equipment, there's always someone willing to pay to borrow it. Platforms like Fat Llama and Peer Renters make it easy to list your items and connect with potential renters. It's a passive income stream that puts your belongings to work for you. Idea 11. Babysitting or childcare. Babysitting or providing childcare is another great way to earn money, especially if you enjoy spending time with kids. Many parents need someone reliable to look after their children while they work or have a night out. By offering your services, you can earn money while having fun and making a positive impact on children's lives. Idea 12. Sell handmade crafts or products. If you're a crafty person, why not turn your hobby into a source of income by selling your handmade crafts or products? Platforms like Etsy and local craft markets provide a marketplace for artisans to showcase and sell their creations. Whether it's jewelry, artwork, or homemade candles, there's a market out there for unique handmade goods. Idea 13. Participate in focus groups. Focus groups are another way to earn money by sharing your opinions on products and services. Companies often conduct focus groups to gather feedback before launching new products or marketing campaigns. By participating in these discussions, you can earn money while influencing the decisions of big brands. Idea 14. Rent out your parking space. If you live in a busy area with limited parking, you can make money by renting out your parking space to drivers in need. Platforms like JustPark and SpotHero allow you to list your parking space and set your own price. It's a simple way to earn passive income while helping alleviate parking shortages in your area. Idea 15, Affiliate Marketing. Last but not least, let's talk about affiliate marketing. By joining affiliate programs, you can earn commissions by promoting products or services to your audience. Whether it's through blog posts, social media, or YouTube videos like this one, affiliate marketing offers a scalable way to earn passive income over time. And there you have it, 15 quick ideas to make $10 in a day. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or just need some extra cash, there's something on this list for everyone. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more money-making tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.